Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a zero waste fish recipe with you. I should say this is the episode 2 of my last steamed fish fillet with tofu video. In that video, I bought a whole fish and only used the fish meat. In this video, I am going to use the fish head and the bones to make a soup and then finish with a noodle soup dish. Okay, let's get started now. Firstly, let's prepare the ingredients. This is a 2-people portion. I used 160 gram dried Guilin rice noodles. You can also use Yunan rice noodles. Boil the water, put the rice noodles in, and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off. Leave the rice noodles to the pot so the hot water will continue cooking the rice noodles. Now we cook the fish soup. Use the tea towel to absorb the extra water on the fish head and the fish bones. Heat up the wok and put about 1 tablespoon oil to the wok. The wok is not big enough to pan fry everything together. Therefore, I pan fry the meaty parts first. Carefully pan fry both sides to slightly brown. I forgot to put the ginger and garlic in at the beginning, so I am putting it now. Okay, they are done. Transfer them to a plate. Put a little bit more oil to the wok and pan fry the remainings. Check both sides if they have been properly pan fried. If they are, put the meaty parts in. Also put 1 teaspoon cooking wine in. Finally, pour in 500 ml boiled water, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon white pepper powder. Carefully give the soup a few stirs to mix the seasonings to the soup. Put the lid on and then cook for 15 minutes. While the soup is cooking, we prepare the remaining ingredients. I used half of a big cube tofu and cut it to 8 pieces. If you want to eat more tofu, you can add more. One shiitake mushroom. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom. You can also use dried shiitake mushroom. Slice the shiitake mushroom. 2 pieces of Nappa cabbage, cut to long strips. I also used 4 pieces of fish balls, but this is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it. After 15 minutes, the fish soup is done. Look at it. The soup is so milky. And I didn't add milk or any other things to make it milky. Stir the soup for a few times and then take the fish out. Put the head at the bottom and then the bone and finally the meaty part on top. If you want to eat the fish meat, you can put some light soy sauce on and sprinkle some spring onions. It tastes good. Now go back to the soup. Sieve the soup as we only need the pure soup. Heat up the wok. Spray a little bit oil to the wok. Put the shiitake mushroom in and saute until the fragrance from the shiitake mushroom is slightly released. And then put the Nappa cabbage in, give it a few stirs. And then put the fish soup in. If there is a precipitate at the bottom, throw it away. Give it a few stirs and then put the fish ball and the tofu in. Put half a teaspoon salt in, another few stirs, and then put the lid on. Bring it to boil and then cook for 3 minutes. Now we check the rice noodles. If it is still too hard, then put it on another stove. Cook to the texture as you like. Now the fish soup is done. Final tasting. More salt and white pepper powder if needed. The soup is done. Now we can put everything to a bowl to make a nice bowl of fish soup rice noodles. Do they look scrumptious? It was very delicious. The rice noodle is chewy and the milky fish soup is so flavorful. I love this recipe very much. I hope you will give it a try and will like it too. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!